The iPhone Air actually doesn't feel like a gimmick. It offers pro-level performance and a powerful 48 megapixel camera along with a bright 6.5-inch display in a super thin and light design. The jury is out on the battery life, but overall this is a promising new iPhone design. The iPhone Air is one of those phones that you have to hold to believe. It is super thin and light. It feels super sturdy in your hands thanks to the titanium design. But I know what you are thinking. What about the compromises? There's not a ton here. You get a big and bright 6.5-inch OLED display, powerful A19 Pro chip, and a versatile 48 megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom. And Apple promises all the battery life too will be judged of that in our testing. There are some trade-offs when you compare the Air to the best phones. You don't get an ultra-wide lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have better cameras. But for $999, the iPhone Air could hit that sweet spot for lots of buyers who want incredible portability paired with pro-ish performance. The iPhone Air is powered by the A19 Pro chip, which is the same chip inside the iPhone 17 Pro minus one graphics core. You get a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU, so you should be able to play demanding games without a problem. What you don't get versus the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max is the sustained performance afforded by the vapor chamber cooling system that's now in the Pro models to keep those phones from overheating. However, the iPhone Air does pack in a lot of other advanced technologies, including the new N1 networking chip that houses the Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread connections. Plus, the iPhone Air boosts Apple's new C1X modem, which promises 2x faster connectivity than the previous C1 inside the iPhone 16e. The iPhone Air is more than just another thin phone. It promises flagship level performance in a design that feels almost impossible. I am particularly impressed with how durable this handset feels, and I'm sure there will be lots of band tests coming out soon to put Apple's claim to the test. For me, the battery life of the iPhone Air will make or break this phone. It may not have the endurance to make our best phone battery life list, but the Air will have to last through most of your day to be worth $999.